Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video we are about to simply learn how we can enable dark theme or dark mode on our Snapchat app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The first thing you want to do is simply make sure you have the Snapchat app and also make sure that you have actually updated it to the latest version. So you want to simply open a device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in Snapchat and then go ahead and enable and update the latest version of Snapchat. So once we have updated to the latest version of Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat app right over here, and you also want to make sure that you're actually logged into your account. Once you open Snapchat, on the top left hand side of the screen, first of all you want to simply tap on your Bitmoji profile or your Bitmoji character. And as we tap on our Bitmoji character, again on the right hand side of the screen you will simply be able to see the settings button. So we want to simply go ahead and tap on the settings button, which you see right over here. As we tap on settings button, it is going to take us to our settings page. Here you want to scroll down until you find the option called app appearance. So here at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see an option called app appearance. So we want to simply go ahead and tap on this option, which is app appearance. As we tap on appearance, at the top of the screen, you can see we have been given three options. The first is called match system, which means your system settings. The second is called always light. The third is called always dark. So if you are selecting on the always light option, you can see that we are currently on the light version of Snapchat. And if you select match system right over here, if your device is in darker theme, the Snapchat application will automatically follow itself to that theme. And if your device is in light theme, then Snapchat will automatically follow to the light theme. But in this video, we are going to learn how we can enable dark theme. So in order to do that, what we want to do is you want to simply select the third option, which says always dark. Snapchat will always use a dark appearance right over here. And as you tap on always dark, you can see instantly that the changes have been taking place. Now if you scroll back right over here, you can see that we have successfully switched to the darker theme on Snapchat app. So this is a way on how you can very easily enable dark theme on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.